أصدقاء الخير, my friends, welcome back to a new video. So today I'm going to talk about the reasons why you should learn Arabic or why it's a nice language to learn. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump into it. So number one is pretty simple, but it's a very widely spoken language, I think in almost 25 countries or something like that. And I mean, everywhere you're going to find like Arabic speaking people, and plus and yeah, I think there's probably more than like 200 million speakers. I don't really know, I'm just making up numbers at this point, but yeah, a lot of people speak it, so it's very widely spoken. It's very useful. You know, you're going to be able to communicate when you're traveling, maybe for business even. Like, I think it's a very definitely very useful language and in high demand. So that's number one. And then coming along with that, because it is so widely spoken, you're going to have a lot of resources. So there are things like, you know, media, not only like TV, music, movies, people as well. I think that's really important. Whenever I've come across Arabic speaking people, they're always super happy, very friendly, and like, you know, open, warm, and want to help you out learning their language. I think because Arabic is not like, I guess it's considered like a more difficult language, so when they see that somebody's learning it, they're like very impressed, and they're, you know, definitely very open and wanting to help you. The next point is it's just such a beautiful language. Like, I think when you first hear it, like obviously you don't really know, but when you actually start to learn it and like the meaning of the words and the reason why they say things, it's just such a beautiful and rich language. For example, the way they say good morning is kind of like have a blessed morning, or like they'll say have a morning with like roses and honey and flowers, and this is just like how they say good morning. And I just think it's like, yeah, it's just beautiful. I haven't like studied a lot of grammar, but from what I've seen so far is that it's easy in the sense that they don't really use words like is or are, or I don't know the exact name, I should, because I'm like an English teacher, but basically to say, let's say you want to say Bob is beautiful, all you have to say is Bob beautiful, or the door is big, you just need to say door big. Like, they don't have those connecting words, so in a way it makes things easier, but I'm sure there's also parts of the grammar that makes it difficult. I haven't really studied much. Also, I think you get to see a big part of Arabic is Islam and like the religious aspect. So I think that's nice in a way. Like, before learning Arabic and meeting, you know, I guess Arabic or Muslim people, I didn't really know anything about Islam. And since then, I've learned a lot about the religion. And obviously, you don't have to be Islam. You have to convert to Islam to learn Arabic. But I think it's just, yeah, really cool. Opens you up to a whole new religion. And it's just very interesting the way, like, yeah, this spirituality, I guess, guides them in every aspect of their life. I think personally it's very interesting. Okay, I might have touched on this point before, but I feel like it's just very impressive. Like, because it is such a difficult language, people are so impressed. Like, imagine just like walking up to someone and just speaking fluent Arabic, especially if you don't like you know, look Arabic or Arab, then it's just gonna like shock people. Even if you know a few words, like I'm basically a beginner, but even if I just say like, you know, hello, how are you, people are like really shocked, and it's just impressive. Like, it's just cool, just yeah, just do it. um I honestly, I had never thought about learning Arabic. I remember a couple of years ago a girl told me she was learning Arabic, and I was like, why would you do that? Like, who needs that? It's so strange, bizarre. But yeah, I guess now that's me. So anyone of you out there are thinking of learning a new language, I would definitely recommend Arabic. It's, of course, it's not going to be easy, but it's just super interesting, and it's something different. Like, coming from, before, like I was learning Italian, Spanish, and French, like, which are all kind of in the same, you know, language family. So I think doing a language like Arabic, which is completely different, like it just gives you a new perspective on languages, not only but like life perspective, just everything. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.